You are ready to refresh your system, but instead you are stuck with the dreaded "could not find recovery environment" message. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your trusted source for Windows fixes. If you are trying to reset this PC and see the error "could not find the recovery environment," it means Windows can't access the recovery files it needs. This usually happens when the recovery environment is disabled, corrupted, or missing. In this guide, we will show you how to re-enable or restore the recovery environment so you can reset your PC easily in 2026. Method 1. Check if recovery partition exists. When you experience "could not find recovery environment" option, then the recovery environment is either disabled or recovery has been deleted from your system. So first, check if recovery partition exists following these steps. Right-click on the Windows icon on the Start menu. Select Disk Management. Look for a recovery partition, usually a few hundred MB in size. Check whether the partition exists or it is disabled. If you don't see it, the partition has been deleted. Method 2. Verify recovery environment status. Click Windows Search. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt. Then select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. In the command prompt, type this command and press Enter. Look at the Windows RE status. If it is disabled, you need to enable it. If it says enabled, the issue lies elsewhere. Method 3. Enable recovery environment. Now to enable the recovery environment, follow these steps. Open an elevated command prompt window, then run this command. Press Enter. You should see the Operation Successful message. Verify again by typing this. Confirm that Windows RE status is enabled. Method 4. Retry Reset. After enabling the recovery environment, you should try resetting your PC. Here is the proper process to do so. Close command prompt. Go to Settings, then select System, then Recovery. Click Reset this PC. Choose either Keep My Files or Remove Everything. The reset should now work without errors. Method 5. Recreate the recovery environment. If you don't see a recovery partition in Disk Management, download the official Windows ISO from Microsoft's website. Create a bootable USB drive using the ISO. Boot from the USB and reinstall Windows. This process will recreate the recovery environment. The "could not find the recovery environment" error may look like a dead end, but it's usually solved with straightforward steps. Once fixed, the reset option works normally again, giving you a clean slate without the hassle of a full reinstall. If this video helped you fix the recovery environment error, hit like, subscribe for more proven Windows solutions, and share your own troubleshooting experiences in the comments, because chances are someone else is facing the same challenge. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.